Okay, last national issue after which we talk about your constituency is about the Aam Aadmi Party. Do you see them as a big challenge in Punjab? Because Punjab, Haryana, Delhi is the belt for the Aam Aadmi Party.
No, not at all. I don't even see them as a challenge in India because if anybody had any doubt, their performance in Delhi has more than proved that they are only fit for agitation, they're not fit for governance. Because at the end of the day, governing a state and definitely governing a country, even if you look for a driver for your car, you ask him what kind of experience he has and how long he's been driving for. You know, this is not a joke. It's not a training ground or a playground that someone who's just used to agitating and throwing muck basically and getting votes by fanning anti feelings does not make him perfect to be able to govern. And that Delhi was a classic example that when he wanted to form the government, he says that I've gone and asked people and everybody is saying form it, even though he swore on his children's head that he would not align with Congress and BJP. He aligns with that very same party who they have been fighting against, forms the government saying people want that. And then when he couldn't govern, he was a total failure in governing the party. Then without asking the people, after calling themselves a people party, if you took people's advice to form the government, surely you should take them into conference before leaving it. Then without asking the people, because suddenly the Prime Minister aspirations seemed more important, dumped the territory of Delhi and the aspirations of Delhiites, who gave him a 6 months mandate hoping that he would do something, dumped them and walked off. So I think everybody, a lot of people have seen through this that they were not fit for governing.
Do you think BJP played into a trap on the Lokpal bill? By,
no, not at all.
letting him go out as a martyr. He wanted an issue. He also, I think, realized that he is better.
No, I think everybody wanted him for 6 months to do something and show to the people. It's only when he realized that he was a failure and he would not be able to, that he thought it was best to get out while it didn't get worse. So he got out and he ran, which I think is very sad because you just ended up fooling people. And I don't think the people of India are forgive people very easily who just try and get votes by showing them not the real picture, but by making false promises and false propaganda.